Okay, so today we have another task in the community where this guy needs some help with their Zap. So he have a WordPress form with the checkboxes and with these informations. If someone click on that checkboxes, then it will send an information into the Google Sheet, and after that it also like share via Gmail to that person or someone else. But yeah, this is the task, and let's start work on that. So I don't have any WordPress form like gravity form or formulator form, but yeah, I just make a similar form on the Google form. Like here you can see a project type and the questions project type, and I just mention all the projects, you can say information here with the check boxes. So if someone just click on the check boxes, it will send the information into the Google Sheet, and after that it will also share via Gmail. Okay, so how we can do this? So first of all, let's go to the Zapier and just trigger a Zap with the Google form. So I already set up here like new or updated form. If someone have the ability to change the check boxes or change the information, so yeah, you can just simply select this one. Otherwise, select this one, new form responses. Every time you will receive a response from the G forms, it will trigger the information into Zapier. Okay, so for now we select this one and connect it with the account, select the form and trigger the question. Here we select a project type and just continue with the selected record. Okay, so now what we need to do is to perform an action in the Google Sheet. So let's go to the Google Sheet and set up. So I already make two columns with the email and project type. Here the person who makes the response, their email will be put here in this cell, and the project type will be put in this cell. Okay, so just select the event is create spreadsheet row. So every time when someone make a response, it will update the it will just create the row step by step. Okay, not update the same row every time. Okay, account is connected. Go to Google Drive, just select the spreadsheet, this address, worksheet, ads by Steve. So this is the user who posts the task in the community. Okay, project type. So here we need to select the G sheet, and sorry, not the G sheet but the project type here, and the name, it shows the name. Let's just refresh this, and now you can see here we need to put the email, and here is the project type, and just continue and test it. Okay, so now as you can see, it just put the email here, and with the information is the project type is basement and the whole house. Okay, so it's working actually, and our final step is send this information via Gmail. So let's set up the Gmail here, connect the Gmail account with let's select this Zap, send email, account is already connected, send to myself, So this is my another email where I want to send it from me. This is my email. Subject is project type. Project type from this person. We can just simply put the email, so we can just remember every time when we see the email like from this person we get this response. You can select the HTML if you are formatting the body, but if you don't format the body like that, hi, this is new response from the G-form source, and what's the information? Project is this. So if you want to make this kind of format, you always need to select the HTML body type. Otherwise, if you want like simple text, hi, this is a new response on this line, you can just simply select the plain text actually. But for the formatting, you can just simply select HTML. Okay, so continue and let's test this Zap. Okay, so what's the response we can get? Okay, so the email is sent. Let's check it out. Okay, so hi, this is a new response from this, the project in basement. Okay, that's is not gonna work, like there is an issue with the formatting. I think if we select the plane and then retest, how it's gonna look like. Okay, so now it's gonna working. Sorry, my bad. I thought that the formatting is like gonna work like that, but you have to select the plane. Okay, so in automation you have to just experience everything. Okay, so if you are wrong at first point, you will be correct at the second point. Okay, so don't be worried about that. My bad, sorry for that. So yeah, you can just simply design the Zap and like according to the requirements, and the requirements is that push the information into the Google Sheet and then send it via Gmail in this format. So this is how we done it, and it's working perfect according to the requirements. So yeah, if you have any queries, please post it on the Zapier community in the on the Reddit. And if you want to get directly any help from me, you can just simply search this username and send me a DM. You can also comment on this video below, so I will check it out, and if you have any queries, I will respond to you. And if it's if you allow me, so I'll make a video on that as well. So yeah, this is the task for today. If you have any queries, just post it and we will make another video on that. Okay, thanks, bye bye.